Hello friends and welcome to this very important news update from Desi Chale Canada. The 6th Express Entry draw of April 2020, which is also Express Entries draw number 145, has taken place on April 29th. In the latest draw, the Canadian government has issued 589 invitations to apply for permanent residence. The minimum score required to secure an invite in this draw is 692. It should be noted that this is a program-specific draw and candidates who have a provincial nomination only were invited in this draw. The previous draw that invited candidates from the provincial nominee class took place 2 weeks ago on April 15th, in which 118 invitations were issued and the minimum score required to secure an invite in that draw was 808. The minimum score required to secure an invite in today's draw has come down by 116 points as compared to the previous provincial nominee draw. Although this draw may not hold too much significance for candidates from the Federal Skilled Worker class or the Canadian Experience class, however, regular draws are a good thing as it will make sure that the number of candidates in the pool does not increase exponentially. The tiebreak in the latest draw has been set at March 11, 2020, 13:46:21 UTC time, which means that all candidates under the provincial nominee class with scores 693 and above, as well as those with scores 692 who submitted their profile to the Express Entry pool before the tiebreak date and time, will receive an invitation to apply in this draw. Now, let us take a quick look at the composition of the Express Entry pool of candidates as on April 27th, 2020. The table shows that now there are just over 21,000 candidates with a CRS score of more than 450, which is less than the number of candidates who were in this bracket 2 weeks ago. To read the full news and further details, please head to Desi Chale Canada's Facebook page. If you liked this video, then please like it and share with other people who may benefit from information given here. For more information related to Canadian immigration and life in Canada, please subscribe to Desi Chale Canada's YouTube channel. So until next time, stay tuned.